Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got some what's it? Heartbreaking news today. I don't know if all of you know about Auntie Fee. Auntie Fee. Every time I think about her, I put a smile on my face. She passed away yesterday due to a massive heart attack that she had a few days ago, and I had no idea. Just found out today. So I looked forward to seeing her videos, and I cheered her on when she started improving her business, so to speak, getting popular, and almost had a movie deal to try to change the way she was, and she got fed up about that. Yeah. She stuck up for herself, and she did not change anything about herself, which made her an extraordinary person. And I'm not even sure if I'm saying that right, but yeah, I'm completely shocked. And so this video is for her. Like, she's going to even see it. So what we're having today is leftover homemade chicken and rice soup that I had frozen in the freezer. I don't want to spell it. Look at all that. Oh, it smells so good. Kimchi, which I'm going to put probably some in it. I haven't decided yet. Sour cream, which I'm definitely putting in it because this soup calls for it. And Asian radish. Pickled Asian radish. Oh, and what I'm drinking? The apple cider that you can get at Dollar Tree for $1. Sorry, I had an itch in my ear. Okay, so Auntie Fee would cuss about her food, would yell at her son Travis for making a mess up on the video, do all kinds of stuff. And she made it on a couple of TV shows, which was extraordinary. I mean, I don't know how she did it. And I'm hoping that this is all fake, not true. But I looked it up, and it's true. Even on her Facebook page. Travis, if you see this, I hope you're holding in there. I hope you're managing. She'd want you to party. She wouldn't want you to mourn over her death. She started calling Travis, what is that? Sari? So he would have to keep his mouth quiet, because you know how he would antagonize her during her broadcasting. I think he did it on purpose. You're a Scorpio, aren't you, Travis? Scorpios tend to do that to their mothers. And I'm breaking up all the carrots. Let's see. Mm. I hope you guys can hear me better. I double checked the mic. Now, what? Oh, Facebook. I get notifications on my computer and on my phone for Facebook. Mm. Not sure. This is potent. Really potent. I'm not sure if I want to mix that in. But now, she didn't, Auntie Fee did not like to be called Auntie Fee. She said that's not how you pronounce it, it's Auntie Fee. And she would correct people. And I don't know her. I don't know her personally. Do I want to eat that? No. It's a piece of skin. But she did make me laugh a couple of times. Oops, hot. I forgot it was hot. Oh, it's so good too. Mm. And this stuff is really good for you. Might need to put a little bit more sour cream in it though. Mm. Oh, I forgot the light. I'm really out of it. I went to work today for 3.5 hours and only had 4 rides. I made $29. So I just came home. And that's when I found out about Auntie Fee. And she's 59 years old. Had a wonderful family, well, has a wonderful family. That's potent. My son has his friend over. We have to take him home after the video's done. I love this stuff. I make it myself. I don't eat very much of it because I don't want it to run out, but it's getting down there. And so it said we were supposed to get up to 6 inches of snow today, but it hasn't really snowed that much. It did snow while I was working this morning, and I thought I'd get more rides that way, but didn't work out that way. This is really good. Okay, so it has carrots, green beans, snow peas, rice, chicken, onion, celery, garlic, salt and pepper. If you cook it just right, you don't need chicken bouillon. Going to need to get more kimchi again. I've been eating more and more of this lately. Piece of fallen apart celery. I want to hear something about last night's job. Me driving around. I picked up somebody that was behind a house that was on fire. And she's like, oh, I need to get out. I mean, yeah, I know my neighbor's house is on fire, but it's okay. I just need to go out. And she was all dressed in green and stuff. She wanted to go out. I said, aren't you afraid that your house might catch on fire? And she's like, I have insurance. Okay. I guess everything turned out okay. Yeah, I witnessed a fire. Of course, the past 12 years of living here, I witnessed another fire, but that was close to my house. And trust me, I worked hard to keep my house from catching on fire. Had the hose going, made the kids stay inside, keep the windows closed to keep the smoke from coming in. Helped the neighbor that lost her home. She rebuilt. She still lives here. She had insurance to take care of that. No, this piece of chicken is really big. So let me know down below if you guys know Auntie Fee and what she has accomplished. She's a remarkable woman, and her family's just so much adorable. You know, they're adorable, showing support. Egging her on. I was hoping it was a fake. I like homemade soup. It tastes so much better. It's almost gone. I will share a link down below of the article for Auntie Fee, okay? So you guys can read up on her. All gone. I can't believe it. I didn't know this stuff existed. Till last year. Oh. Do I see something? Maybe. Maybe not. I'm gonna cheat. Let's see. Oh no, it's not. I thought it was. It's just a wick. Damn. Okay. Nope, not yet. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me for dinner. I hope you enjoyed yourself, enjoyed it. And say a couple of prayers for Auntie Fee, okay? Here's my Facebook. Okay, thank you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.